Example 5. I will explain example 5 in the triangle. A person one point 65 meters tall, cast 1.8 meters shadow at the same instance, a lamp post as a shadow of 5.4 meters. Find the height of the lamp post. Figure also given. This is the first triangle. Name it as ABC. ABC will take angle B consists of always 90 degrees. And the given length is 1.65 meters. 1.65 meters. This the given length is 1.8 meters. In this given part, one more lamp also post in this one. This length will take 5.4 meters. This is the given height we have to find out in this. This will take P. This will take Q. .65 meters. What is given in this one? A person 1.65 meters tall cast and his person shadow will become 1.8 meters. At the same instant, in the same line, a lamp also post. This shadow is 5.4 meters. Find the height of a lamp post. First, I will write in this one. First, tall of a person will write. First, tall of a person. Tall of a person. Tall of a person will take AB. That is the distance AB is equal to 1.65 meters. And also, their shadow will become 1.8 meters. That will be written as length of person's shadow. Length of person shadow. Length of a tall person will take AB. That person's shadow will become BC. That becomes BC will take 1.8 meters. At the same instant, a lamp also post. Their shadow is given. We have to find out their height. That I will write. Let the tall of a lamp post. We'll take name it as PQ. Will take. We have to find out PQ is equal to x meters. Their shadow are also given, but I will write length of lamp post. Their post shadow will become the name of given one will take PQR will take. So I'm sorry, this will take R. That is name it as QR is must be take 5.4 meters. Length of shadow will take 5.4. Length of lamp post shadow will take triangle QR will take 5.4 meters. We will observe in these two triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. What is the reason means by using AA similarity of triangles. By using AA similarity of triangles. What is the statement of AA similarity means? If two angles of a one triangle, if two angles of a one triangle is respectively equal to two angles of a another triangle, then two triangles are equal. It is the statement of AA similarity, where angle B is must be equal to angle Q. After that, any two angles, angle A is must be take angle B. After that, angle C also angle R will take. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR means that I will take AB by PQ, that must be written as BC by QR. I will write in this one AB by PQ is must be equal to BC by QR will take. Here, what about the length of AB means that I will take 1.65 meters by where the length of PQ is x. After that, length of BC is 1.8. There QR is 5.4. After that decimals is removed, that will be written as 165 by. This decimal will be removed. The denominator will take 100. Here also will take 180 by 540. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. After will take 18 ones 18, 18 threes 54. 18 threes 54. After we'll take by using the cross multiplication 100x is equal to 165 into 3 will take 3 5 is 15, 3 6 18 plus 1 is 19. After 1 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That means 100x will take 495, x is equal to 495 by 100 will take. That means the length of given one is 4.95 meters. This is the given length of tall of a lamp post. Tall of a lamp post. That is the tall of a lamp post. The tall nothing but height. That is the height is 4.95 meters. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to example 6. This is most important for 2 marks. A man sees the top of a tower in a mirror. In a mirror, which is at a distance of 87.6 meters from the tower. The mirror is on the ground facing upwards. The man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror and his height is 1.5 meters. How tall the tower? Tall is must be take their height. Here given figure is this is mirror 0.4 meters will take. This is B. This is 1.5 meters will take. This is A. This is B. This is the given height H. There is no height means that I will take question mark. This is D. This is tower. What is given in this one? A man sees top of the tower in a mirror. So, Nana, person, this is the given tower. Tower పై నుంచి మిర్రర్ ను చూస్తున్నాడు. Which is at the distance of 87.6 meters. That is the given distance is 87.6 meters. That is given distance is 87.6 meters is given. This is the given distance of tower and a person. That is 87.6 will be given. The mirror is on the ground facing upward. The mirror is on the ground facing upward. The man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror. The man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror. Mirror nunchi 0.4 meters above lo unnadu. His height is 1.5 meters. How tall the mirror? So I am sorry, how tall the tower will find out. Once again I will explain. A man sees top of the tower in a mirror. Oka person, this is one person will take. ఈ పర్సన్ టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్ నుంచి మిర్రర్ ను చూస్తున్నాడు. చూస్తే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి గల డిస్టెన్స్ 87.6 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ద మిర్రర్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ ద గ్రౌండ్ ఫేసింగ్ అప్వర్డ్స్. అయితే మిర్రర్ లో నుంచి గ్రౌండ్ ఫేసింగ్ లో నుంచి అప్వర్డ్స్ కి చూస్తే దాని యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ 0.4 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. 0.4 మీటర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ పర్సన్ యొక్క హైట్ 1.5 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఫైనల్లీ ద టాల్ ఆఫ్ ఏ టవర్ విల్ ఫైండ్. ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ height of a man. Height of a man. Height of a man AB. Height of a man AB will take 1.5 meters. Will take 1.5 meters. Will take. After that, distance between man and mirror. Man and mirror. Distance between man and mirror is 0.4 meters. Will given that I will write BC is equal to 0.4 meters. This will take in triangle ABC. That means in triangle ABC, then that implies angle B is must to have to take 90 degrees. When it is a right angle triangle, after we'll take the second one, that is the tower. That means the height of a tower, length of tower. That means length or height of a tower. This is nothing but E, so I am sorry. That is, let the height of tower. The height of tower will take a DE. DE will take H meters. After will take distance between tower and mirror. Distance between tower and mirror will given 87.6 meters. That is name it as DC will take 87.6 meters. We will observe in triangle. First I will take triangle EDC. In triangle EDC will take angle D is must be take 90 degrees. Angle D is must be take 90 degrees. Here that means angle B is equal to angle D, means here triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. That means A is must be equal to E, angle B is equal to angle C. C is a common angle of both triangle ABC and triangle EDC. Here also by using AA similarity. Why? Because of angle B is equal to angle D, angle A is equal to angle E will take. Here by using one formula I will write AB by ED. AB by ED, that must be written as BC by CD. Will write BC by CD. In triangle ABC, what I have to write means AB by ED, that must be written as BC by CD. What about the length of AB? Where AB is a 1.5 meters, ED is their height of tower, where BC is nothing but 0.4. After that, CD is 87.6. We have to remove the decimal values. That must be written as 15 by 10 H equal to 487.8760. This is also one place. 0 and 0 must be cancelled. We'll observe 5 3s, 5 2s will be cancelled. 3 by 2H equal to 4 by 876. 4 1s, 4 2s is 8. Again 4 1s is 4, remaining is 3. 4 9s 36. Here by using the cross multiplication, that must be written as 2h equal to 319 into 2 will write 18, 2 ones 2 plus 1 3, 3 2 6, that is 2h is equal to 638, 2 threes, 2 ones, 2 nines, that is the height of the given tower is 319 meters. I will write height of tower, we'll name it as ED is equal to 319 meters. 319 meters. So I'm sorry, this is nothing but 219, nothing but 319. 2 nines 18, 2 ones 2 plus 1 3, 2 twos 4, 438, 438 is 219 nearly. This is the value for 1.5 by h equal to 0.4 by 876. Once again, I will explain this value. So I'm sorry. 15 by 10h will take both one decimal and one decimal will be cancelled. That must be written as 4 by 876. At 4 twos, 4 ones, 4 nines, 36. Okay, 5 threes, 5 twos. That means 3 by 2h equal to 1 by 219 will take by using the cross multiplication. 2h equal to 219 into 3, 3 nines 27, 3 ones 3 plus 2 5, 3 2 6, that is equal to 2h, h equal to 657 by 2, 2 3 6, 2 twos 4, remaining is 1, 2 8 16, remaining 1.5, that must be written as h equal to 328.5. So I'm sorry Nana, 328.5 meters. I am going to next example. Now I am going to next example. Gopal is worrying. Gopal is worrying that his neighbor can see into his living room, from top floor of his house, top floor of his house. He has decided to build a fencing, a fence that is high enough to block the view, from there, top floor window. What should be the height of fence? What should be the height of fence? The measurements are given in the figure. I will draw the figure. This is nothing but P. This is nothing but A. This is nothing but R. I will draw one perpendicular of this one. This is name it as Q. This is must will take C. This is 12 meters will take. This is E. This is D. This is B. This is 1.5 meters will take. After this is also 1.5 meters will take. This is 2 meters. The total distance is 8 meters. I will draw a building. This is the given building. Here also given distance is 1.5 meters. We will observe in this one what is given. Gopal worrying that his neighbor can see into his living room. Gopal అనే అతడు ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాడు. ఎందుకు ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాడు అంటే అతని బంధువులు వాళ్ళ లివింగ్ రూమ్ లోకి వాళ్ళ 5th ఫ్లోర్ లో నుంచి తొంగి చూస్తున్నారు. Gopal worrying that his neighbor can see into his living room from the top of floor of his house. గోపాల్ వాళ్ళ బంధువులు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు నాన్న. గోపాల్ వాళ్ళ బంధువులు ఈ యొక్క టాప్ ఫ్లోర్ లో నుంచి గోపాల్ యొక్క లివింగ్ రూమ్ లోకి తొంగి చూస్తున్నారంట. He has decided to build a fence that too high enough to block his view from the top floor window. అంటే ఈ టాప్ ఫ్లోర్ విండోను కవర్ చేయడానికి ఫెన్సింగ్ కవర్ చేస్తున్నాడంట. వాట్ షుడ్ బి హైట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫెన్స్? వాట్ షుడ్ బి హైట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫెన్స్? ద మెజర్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ ద గివెన్ ఫిగర్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. విల్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్. ఫైనల్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ BD. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. గోపాల్ యొక్క రిలేటివ్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాను. ఇక్కడ నుంచి లివింగ్ రూమ్ లోకి తొంగి చూస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి తొంగి చూడకుండా గోపాల్ ఇక్కడ ఫెన్సింగ్ వేయాలనుకున్నాడు. ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ మీన్స్ top floor window. What should be the height of fence? We have to height of fence we have to find out. We'll observe. I will take in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, and after we'll take triangle ACE, triangle ABD and triangle ACE. We will observe in these two triangles, triangle ABD, this is nothing but triangle ABD, this is nothing but triangle ABC. In these two triangles here, in triangle ABD, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. After that, angle ACE, angle C is equal to 90 degrees. That is means by angle B is equal to angle C is equal to must be take 90 degrees. After, in this triangle ABD, here the common angle is A, and also in triangle ACE, here also the common angle is A. Angle A is equal to angle A, that I will write. This is a common angle. If two angles are equal in A, one triangle is respectively equal to two angles of another triangle. These both angles are similarity, that I will write. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACE, will write. Thereby using by AA similarity will write. By AA similarity will write. By AA similarity means here by using our formula is AB by AC is nothing but here. AB by AC is nothing but AB by AC is nothing but, and we have to write BD by CE. This is BD, this is CE. BD by CE. AB by AC is equal to BD by CE, will write, where AB is nothing but, here we will observe in this figure, already QP is 2 meters given. QP is 2 meters given. We will observe in this one, that is the distance of QP is nothing but AB. That means QP is equal to BA. That means QP is equal to BA or AB. This is also nothing but 2 meters. This is also nothing but 2 meters. I will write 2 by AC is nothing but RP. AC is nothing but RP means I will write. Again we have to write AC. The distance between AC is nothing but PR. AC is nothing but PR. The total distance of PR is must will take 8 meters. That means 2 by 8, that must be written is equal to, where the length of BD, this is, we have to find out the length of BD. After we'll take the length of CE. The length of C and E is will given, that is 12 meters will given. 2 ones, 2 fours, 8. 1 by 4 is must be equal to BD by 12. By using the cross multiplication, 4 BD is equal to 12. 4 ones, 4 threes. BD is nothing but 3 meters. B నుంచి D కి ఎన్ని మీటర్స్ ఉంది నానా అంటే 3 మీటర్స్ ఉంది అంటున్నాడు. ఫైనల్ గా వాడు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమనేది ఏంటంటే వాట్ షుడ్ బి ద హైట్ ఆఫ్ ఫెన్స్. the height of fence. The height of fence we have to find out in this one. Height of fence is QD we have to find out. QD is nothing to write. QB plus BD will write, where QD is nothing but 1.5 meters. After BD is nothing but 3 meters. Finally, the total distance is 4.5 meters. This is the height of a fence. This is the height of a fence. This is asking in this given problem. Now I am going to exercise 8.2. So 6.2, 8.2, the first one is in the given figure. In the given figure, angle ADE is equal to angle B. Angle ADE is equal to angle B. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. After, the second one is if AD is equal to 3.8 centimeters, AE is equal to 3.6 centimeters, BE is equal to 2.1 centimeters, BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Find DE. Find DE. What is the given figure? This is the given figure. This is named as A, B, C. This is named as A, B, C. Angle C is consist of 90 degrees. This is angle B. After, one more line join with them. This is named as ED. This is the given figure. How to prove these conditions? Now I am going to solutions. Given that, what is given in this statement means angle ADE. Angle ADE is must be equal to angle B. We will observe in this one. Angle ADE. Angle ADE lo middle angle is D. Angle ADE is must be equal to angle B. Angle B. This we have to written as Angle ADE is equal to angle B means that I will write angle ADE will write angle ABC. Angle ABC. Does not write in this one. Why? Because of angle C is consist of 90 degrees. There is no 90 degrees in E. That means there is no need to write in this condition. That means angle ADE is nothing but angle B means D is equal to B. I will take in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, we'll observe triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Triangle ABC and triangle ADE will start with A. That I will write angle A is equal to angle A. Here by using the property is common angles. Common angles. And also one thing is given. What is given means triangle ADE is must be equal to angle B. In triangle ADE, angle D is must be equal to, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal. That I will write angle B is must be equal to angle D. This we have to write corresponding angles. This also corresponding angles. Corresponding angles in this given figures. Okay, in this both triangles, two angles are equal. If two angles are equal in one triangle or respectively equal to two angles in the other triangle, then both triangles are similar. That I will write triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. By using the statement, what is the statement means? By using AA similarity, by using AA similarity will take. This is the first proof. After now I am going to second one is AD is given. AD is nothing but 3.8 centimeters. After AE is equal to 3.6 centimeters. After BE is nothing but 2.1 centimeters, and also BC is equal to 2.1 centimeters. BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Plotted in the figure where BC is nothing but 4.2 centimeters. After that BE is nothing but 2.1 centimeters. After that AE is nothing but 3.6 centimeters. After that remaining one is AD. AD is nothing but 3.8 centimeters. AD is 3.8 centimeters will be plotted. After that AE 3.6 centimeters. Again BE 2.1 centimeters, and also BC 4.2 centimeters. Find DE. DE also plotted. Okay, we'll observe in this one. Already in triangle, first proof is triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. That means angle B is nothing but angle D means that I will write in this one where AB, here B is common angle. AB is must be equal to AB by, here common angle is B. AB, here common angle by AD. AB by AD, that must be written as, after we have to write BC. This is nothing but BC by DE. We'll observe in this one. Here are the bases, two bases of given triangle. Here AB, where B is common angle, AD, where D is common angle, means that I will write AB by AD is nothing but BC by ED. Will write AB, that I have to written as AB is nothing but AE plus EB. Will write, where AE is 3.6, EB is 2.1, the total distance is 5.7. That means 5.7 by, where AD is nothing but 3.8 is equal to, where BC is nothing but 4.2 by DE, that I will write, where both digits will be cancelled. That means 57 by 38 is nothing but 42 by DE. Here, by using the cross multiplication, 57 into DE is equal to 38 into 42. I will multiply them. Again, DE is nothing but dash by 57. I will write 38 into 42, 2 8s 16, 2 3 6 plus 1 7, 4 8s 32, 4 3s 12, 12 plus 3 will become 15, that is 6 9 1 5. That means the value is 1596 will take, 1596 will take. That means 57 can divisible by 1596. 57 twos, 57 and 57 will add 14, 114, 114. Remaining is 5, 4, 6, 456. That means remaining is 456 will take. The remaining 1 point there, so I am sorry. Here 4.2 there. .2 means this is nothing but 570 will take. 4.2 means their denominator is must be take 570. That means 572 1140. Their denominator is 6, 5, 4. After will take 0. 570 into 8. That means 570 into 8, 8 into 0, 0. 8 sevens, 56. 8 fives, 40. 40 plus 5 will become 45. That means 4560. Then remainder is 0. That must be written as the length D is nothing but 2.8 centimeters. This is asking given problem. మీరు ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఈ పాయింట్ జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోవాలన్నా, నేను ఏబి బై ఏడి రాశాను. ఇంత లెంత్ ఆ కొద్దిగా ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందా అనే డౌట్ మీకు రాకూడదు. ఏబి విల్ రైట్ బి ఈజ్ ఏ కామన్ యాంగిల్. ఆఫ్టర్ ఐ విల్ డ్రా ఏడి వేర్ డి ఈజ్ ఏ కామన్ యాంగిల్. Here, what is the condition means? LHS angle B and D. B and D have common angles. Common angles will write. B and D have common angles. LHS of B and D have common angles. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to next one. This is next one is most important for 2 marks. Perimeters of two similar triangles. Two similar triangles are 30 and 20 centimeters respectively. 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. If one side of a first triangle is 12 centimeters, determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. Corresponding side of the second triangle. We'll observe in this one. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters. I will take two similar triangles, that is name it as, this is the first triangle, name it as A, B, C. Perimeter means add all the sides of a given figure. Add all the sides of a given figure, that is nothing but AB plus BC plus CA is nothing but 30 centimeters. This is the given perimeter of first similar triangle. After we will take another similar triangle, that is name it as D, E, F. This is nothing but DE plus EF plus FD is nothing but 20 centimeters. That means add all the sides of a given figure is nothing but perimeter of given triangle. And also, if one side of a first triangle is 12 centimeter is given, we have to find out the corresponding side of another triangle will find. That I will take the perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. But one side of a first triangle one side of a first triangle, that will take 12 centimeters. We have to find out the corresponding side of second triangle, that I will take. Let the corresponding side of second triangle, that I will take x, So one statement there, the ratio of perimeters of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means I will take perimeters of two similar triangles are given, that is perimeter of triangle ABC is to perimeter of triangle DEF is nothing but their corresponding sides are is 12 centimeters is to x. I will take perimeter of triangle ABC is given, that is 30 centimeters is to 20 centimeters is equal to 12 centimeters by x will take, that must be written as 30 by 20 is equal to 12 by x. 0 and 0 will be cancelled, 3 ones, 3 fours, 1 by 2, that must be equal to 4 by x. By using the cross multiplication, x is equal to 8 centimeters. This is for 8 centimeters. That is asking in this given problem. What is asking? The corresponding side of second triangle is x, that is given x will take 8 centimeters. Okay, students, see you next class. Tomorrow we'll continue this class.